Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how do we to make a 3D bubble text effect onto your poster. So the way to do that, open your Canva, and here I already prepare a blank page. Now on this blank page, I would like to insert an image to set it as a background. I'm going to use this image, this one, click three dots button and then set it as a background, just like that. And after that, instead of insert a text onto this page, you need to click the elements and use the shapes of letters like this. The keyword is bubble letters, this one, and then search it, use the graphics one, and as you can see there's a plenty of choice of letters that you can use, but for me I'm going to use I think these letters. If you're using font, tap the graphic for a longer time and then use click this view collection button, and there will be a plenty of choice of it, just like that. Now insert a letter one by one as the word that you want to create. For me, I'm going to make a word canva. So first letter is C. I'm going to put it on this side and go to the element button, insert an A, put it on this side too, and again insert and this one, put it on this side, and then V. Where's the V? This one, just like that. Now you can copy the A like this and adjust the size and position every element. Make sure it has a perfect position and size like this. Put it here, and the last part is the A, this one. Okay, now I'm going to put it like this, make it look like it's on top of each letter. Okay, and the A. And now when you're done doing that, go to layers and select all of these elements and group it just like this. Now increase the size of it, Canva. Then if you want to change the color of the element, you can go to the effect and use this duotone effect, and there will be a plenty of choice of color. So for me, I will change it onto a sea green color. And now the next part, to make it much more look like a realistic word, I will adding a shadow effect, shadows. Okay, search it, and I think I'm just going to use this one, positioning it. Now go to effect, as same as the previous one. You just need to change the color of the shadow as same as the color of your text, little bit dark like this. And now decrease the size of the shadow and put it on each letter. So for me, I'm going to put it on this side. I'm going to put it on front of the C but behind of the A, like this. And now click it, duplicate it, and then put on the exact position that you want. And now it's done, and this is the result. So the way to make it much more look cool, okay, first I will click layers again and group all of the elements like this. Group it, increase the size of the text. Now I'm going to add one more text onto it, add a little bit of body text. Okay, poster design, change the font onto this century expanded and adjust the space of letter. I will make it okay. The next step, I will put it on top of here and decrease the size of the font like this. Duplicate it. Oops, too much. And on this bottom, change it onto edit by tongue tips like this. Put it on this side, and I will like to decrease the size one more time. Okay, now it's done. As you can see, now your poster has this text effect design, and that's the way to make it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.